Okay, now I am change the HDD to SSD and put power on my PC, so it will inform like this. But it's easy problem. So now you restart your PC again. After restart, you start to press F2. And then you come this kind of page, you call this BIOS. There is like security, boot, exit. So we will take with arrow here on the boot. And like you see, there is boot mode, legacy. Now you press enter and there come legacy and UEFI. So with arrow up, you choose UEFI, then you press enter, OK, and then you press, there is, you read, where is it? There, save and exit, F10. So we press F10, then there come this kind. Okay, then you press enter and it's restart again. Like you see, there start rounding, so it will load. This take now a moment, but like you see, it open, it not anymore say to you that there is some mistake or something. This take now a moment, I will put pause and show to you then when it's already load Windows. Okay, and now we are inside the Windows. This kind fixing working to my PC, but I don't know will it work on your PC, but if you have same problem then I was, so you can try same, but I think this work only Packard Bell and some Acer branch, so easy way to fix and cheap.